Tornado. The tornado took off your rock and threw your rock.
So automatically knew he wasn't gonna play rugby.
All right, redo it. Somebody said pre-tornado. Hey, come on, let's go. Rock, paper, scissors, golden gun. Oh, you had one too? All right, redo. All right. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Rock, paper, scissors, earthquake. Earthquake took that gun and that bullet and took it under the water.
Sunday, really?
Come on, rock, paper, scissors, rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, God. God can stop that. He can stop that.
Stop, dude. Stop. Get up and do it. Look at these crybabies.
All right, we're going to redo it. All right, I'm not gonna do tornado, okay? I promise, okay? I promise, bro. I'm not gonna do tornado. Okay?
Something strong.